Ever heard the phrase, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago? The second best time is now? It's a classic for a reason, especially when it comes to money. We all know that getting started with investing early can make a huge difference to your financial future, thanks to the magic of compounding. But what if now isn't entirely up to you? What if there are age restrictions, legalities, and a whole lot of fine print standing between you and your investment dreams? That's a question many aspiring investors ask, particularly when they hear about platforms designed to simplify investing, like Raiz. Raiz has made a name for itself by letting you invest your spare change, making investing accessible to pretty much anyone. But anyone has its limits, right? Can a teenager start stashing away their pocket money? Can parents set up accounts for their newborns? Understanding the age requirements isn't just about curiosity, it's about knowing if this powerful financial tool is available to you right now, or if you need to plan a little for the future. So, let's cut to the chase. How old do you actually need to be to use Raiz? For a standard Raiz investment account, the primary account holder must be 18 years or older. This is a common requirement for most investment platforms, as you need to be of legal age to enter into financial contracts and take on the responsibilities associated with investing. You will typically need to provide a valid government-issued ID to verify your age and identity during the sign-up process. However, Raiz also offers a fantastic feature called Raiz Kids. This is where things get interesting for younger aspiring investors. Parents, grandparents, or legal guardians can set up Raiz Kids accounts for children under the age of 18. These accounts are designed to help foster financial literacy and encourage early saving and investing habits. While the child's name is associated with the account, it remains under the control of the adult until the child turns 18. At that point, the account can be transferred into their name, giving them a head start on their financial journey. With Raiz Kids, adults can set up recurring investments, make lump sum contributions, and even choose the investment portfolio for the child. Some versions of Raiz Kids even allow parents to grant controlled access to their children, letting them see their investments grow and learn about the market in a supervised environment. It's a brilliant way to introduce the next generation to the world of investing long before they hit that 18-year mark. So, while direct personal accounts are for adults, Raiz provides a clear pathway for minors to benefit from early investment through a guardian. This means whether you're 18 and ready to dive in, or a parent looking to give your child a financial head start, Raiz has an option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.